Let me ask you something. How many hours last week did you spend writing the same kind of email you have already written 40 times? How many hours did you spend formatting documents, chasing invoices, posting on social media, or rewriting proposals that never even got a response? If you are like most freelancers, the honest answer is embarrassing. Because the truth is, most freelancers are not struggling with talent. They are drowning in busy work. And that ends today. In today's video, I am going to walk you through 7 AI tools that are completely transforming the way freelancers work in 2026. These are not gimmicks. These are the actual platforms that the most productive, highest-earning freelancers in the world are using right now to run their entire workflow without writing a single line of code. I am going to show you exactly what each one does and how much time it will save you every single week. Let's get into it. Tool 1. ChatGPT. Tool number 1 you have probably heard of, but I guarantee you are not using it the way the top 1% of freelancers are. ChatGPT in 2026 is not just a chatbot. It is a full client communication system, a proposal engine, and a content brief generator all rolled into one. The smartest freelancers right now build a master prompt template that includes their tone of voice, their niche, their client profile, and examples of their best past work. Every time they need a client email, a proposal, or a content brief, they paste that template, and ChatGPT delivers a professional, personalized result in under 30 seconds. What used to take 45 minutes now takes 30 seconds. I have personally timed it. The power move is building a custom GPT trained on your specific business. Upload your past proposals, your pricing, your services, and your brand voice. Now every output sounds exactly like you, just faster and better. This single setup alone saves 8 to 10 hours every single week just on client communication. Tool 2. Perplexity AI. Tool number 2 is one most freelancers have never even heard of, and that is exactly why it is such a massive competitive advantage right now. Perplexity AI searches the entire internet in real time and delivers a clean-cited, summarized answer in under 60 seconds. Think of it as Google, but instead of 10 blue links you have to click through yourself, it reads them all and hands you exactly what you need. Whether you do market research, competitor analysis, content research for articles, or keeping up with industry trends, Perplexity cuts 2 to 3 hours of research down to 10 minutes. And it gives you citations with every answer so your sources are already organized and verified. No more 20 open browser tabs and no more losing track of where you read what. 4 to 6 hours saved every single week, and the basic plan is free. Tool 3. Make.com. Tool number 3 is where things get seriously powerful. If you have ever wished your apps could just talk to each other automatically without you manually moving information from one place to another, Make.com is the tool that makes that happen. Make is a visual, no-code automation platform that connects over 2,000 apps and builds workflows called scenarios that run on complete autopilot, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. Here is a real example. A freelance social media manager I know used to spend 2 hours every Monday morning manually pulling client analytics from Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, putting them into a spreadsheet and emailing a report to each client. With Make.com, she built that entire workflow in 45 minutes. Now it runs automatically every Monday at 7 a.m. while she is still in bed. Fully visual, drag and drop, zero code whatsoever. 5 to 8 hours saved every single week. Tool 4. Notion AI. Tool number 4 is Notion AI, and if you are still managing your freelance business across sticky notes, random Google Docs, email threads, and spreadsheets, pay close attention. Notion combines notes, databases, project management, wikis, and client portals all in one place. And in 2026, the AI layer built into Notion turns it from a great organizational tool into a full intelligent business operating system. With Notion AI, you can ask your workspace questions, and it answers from your own documents. Summarize a meeting, generate a project plan, write a standard operating procedure, or draft a client update email without ever leaving the app. No more hunting through 5 different apps for a brief or a deadline. Everything in one place, AI makes it instantly searchable, and freelancers consistently report saving 4 to 5 hours every single week just from cutting out constant app switching alone. Tool 5. Fathom AI. Tool number 5 is one you will wonder how you ever survived client calls without. Fathom AI joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls, records, and transcribes the entire conversation in real time, and within 30 seconds of the call ending, sends you a complete AI-generated summary with all action items, key decisions, and next steps clearly outlined. It is completely free and requires zero setup. Before Fathom, most freelancers spent 20 to 30 minutes after every call, writing up notes and sending a follow-up summary email. With Fathom, that whole process is 0 minutes. The summary arrives before you even close the browser tab. And here is what nobody talks about. When you stop taking notes during a call, you become a dramatically better listener. Your client feels genuinely heard. Fathom does not just save you time, it makes you a better freelancer. 2 to 3 hours back every single week, completely free. Tool 6. Canva AI. Tool number 6 is Canva AI. Before you say you already know Canva, hear me out, because the AI features they released in 2025 and 2026 have completely changed what this tool is capable of. Canva Magic Studio is now a full AI design system. You can describe any visual in plain English, and Canva generates it. You can take a rough concept and turn it into a polished client presentation in minutes. You can resize and rebrand entire design sets in one single click. The feature that saves the most time is Magic Resize. One click takes any design, a LinkedIn post, a YouTube thumbnail, an email banner, and automatically reformats it perfectly for every single platform at once. What used to take a designer 30 minutes per asset now takes one click for all of them. With Magic Write, Magic Resize, Background Remover, and Brand Kit all working together in 2026, Canva AI saves most freelancers 3 to 5 hours every single week with no designer required. Tool 7. Zapier. The final tool is Zapier. If Make.com is the powerhouse for complex multi-step workflows, think of Zapier as the fastest, most reliable glue connecting every single app in your stack. Zapier integrates with over 7,000 applications, more than any other automation tool on the planet, and lets you build automations called Zaps in just minutes without writing a single line of code. Here are 3 Zaps every freelancer should have running right now. Number 1. When a new lead fills out your contact form, Zapier adds them to your CRM, sends a welcome email, and creates a follow-up task in Notion automatically. Number 2. When you mark a project complete in Notion, Zapier generates the invoice and emails it to the client without you touching anything. Number 3. When you receive a 5-star review on any platform, Zapier saves it to a Google Sheet and posts it to your LinkedIn automatically. These 3 Zaps take 30 minutes to set up and save 4 to 6 hours every single week from that point forward. Here is what all of this adds up to. ChatGPT saves 8 to 10 hours. Perplexity, 4 to 6. Make.com, 5 to 8. Notion AI, 4 to 5. Fathom, 2 to 3. Canva AI, 3 to 5. Zapier, 4 to 6. That is 30 to 43 hours handed back to you every single week. An entire second work week returned to you to take on more clients, build a new income stream, or simply stop working at 5 p.m. like a normal human being. 7 tools. ChatGPT for proposals and client communication. Perplexity AI for research. Make.com for complex multi-step automation. Notion AI for running your entire business from one place. Fathom for never taking meeting notes again, Canva AI for professional visuals without a designer, and Zapier for connecting your entire app stack on autopilot. 30 to 43 hours saved every single week. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment telling me which tool you want a full tutorial on, and I will make that video next. Subscribe because every week we bring you real practical AI strategies that actually work. The freelancers who master these tools in 2026 will be completely untouchable. Do not be left behind. I will see you in the next one.